हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बायो के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लास 10 सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जाम. So first question is, nervous and the hormonal systems together perform the function of control and coordination in human beings. See, control and coordination is controlled by the nervous system, and the nervous system is controlled by the brain. We have large number of neurons which carry signals from the organs to the brain and to and fro. And the hormonal system, on the other hand, that controls the functioning of the nervous system indirectly. Either it slows down the process or it increases the pace of this process. Now, moving to the next question. List any four methods of the contraception used by the humans. See, barrier method, condoms and सर्जिकल मेथड में आपका बहुत सारे सर्जिकल ऑपरेशंस होते हैं जिससे कि वी ब्लॉक द थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट कम्स योर केमिकल मेथड जिसमें हम पिल्स वगैरह लेते हैं. एंड द कॉपर्टी इज द नेक्स्ट. What is the effect on the health and the prosperity of the family? It helps with the family planning by the controlling number of children and the reducing the chances of the financial burden. Population for the country is also in control and the sexually transmitted diseases are also prevented. Now, next difference is between the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Broken into the simpler parts, biodegradable process is the substances can be broken by the microorganisms and they are made up of the natural ingredients. ये non natural से बने हुए होते हैं. They are not able to decompose. He will give the examples. Non biodegradable waste should be recycled and should be disposed by the landfills, and also non biodegradable waste should be burned by the process of the combustion. Now the question comes: the blue color flower, plain denoted by double B, capital B, is crossed with the white color flower denoted by small w and small w. F1 generation plants का जब मैं क्रॉस कराऊंगा तो BW आएगा and B is the dominant character, so F1 would be blue. Similarly, we will get the four things and the white flowers at 55% and the ratios would be 1:2. Moving to the next question. Defining reproduction and how it provides stability to the population of the species. When the parents produce of their offspring, that is known as reproduction, that is the biological process. It's not about the reproduction, it also brings the stability. Several get perished and only some are survived. Now the survival rate is quite low because जो आपके current environment को थोड़ा सा adapt कर लेते हैं, they can survive easily. Now moving to the next question. First is we have to find out the role. It produces sperms. It provides the optimal temperature to the testes, transfer of sperms, and it secrete the fluid which provide nutrition and the medium for the transportation of sperms. Now, what is the role? Regulates the formation of the sperms or brings the changes during the adolescence in boys. What are the four functions of the human heart? Why double circulation is necessary? See, what are the four functions? First of all, receive deoxygenated blood from the body. उसको लंग्स के पास भेजता है फॉर द ऑक्सीजनेशन. मतलब ऑक्सीजन उसमें आपकी लंग्स के थ्रू आती है, तो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आपका लंग्स रिसीव करते हैं, मतलब वी रिसीव फ्रॉम द लंग्स एंड पम्प्स ऑक्सीजनेटेड blood to the different parts of the body. So double circulation ensures that the oxygenated blood is transported to the each part of the body to have the efficient supply of the O2 for their high and the separation of the oxygenated and the oxygenated blood. Double circulation is necessary. Now comes the location and the function of the pituitary gland, thyroid gland and pancreas. Pituitary gland आपका near brain controls all other endocrine glands, secrete growth hormones. Thyroid gland neck secretes thyroxine, maintain the metabolism. Pancreas abdomen secrete insulin and glucagon that maintains the blood glucose level. Moving to the next question. How do organisms and whether reproduce sexually or asexually maintain the constant chromosome? In asexual reproduction, आपका replicated होते हैं, so all the chromosomes are passed easily. In sexual reproduction, half chromosomes from male and half from the female तो आपका ओरिजिनल नंबर वही रहता है. We have given the examples. You can go through them. Next come the question. We have to identify the part A, B, C and give the function. A is anther, that is the male reproductive organ of the flower, produces pollen grains. B is style, a part of the female reproductive organ that connects stigma to the ovary and gives the passage for the pollen and the pollen tube. Ovary is the female reproductive organ, bears the ovules or the female gametes. Now, how is the regeneration different from reproduction? In regeneration, the parent body is cut it into different parts and that are regenerated to the another planaria. While reproduction is parents producing their offspring. So regeneration is different from the reproduction because in regeneration, the organisms from its cut body parts occur by the process of growth and development. Now moving to the question number 12. How oxygen and carbon dioxide transport in human beings and how are lungs designed to maximize the area of exchange of gases. See, the oxygenated blood is passed to all the body organs and the oxygenated blood is due to the hemoglobin because hemoglobin transport oxygen molecules to all body cells for the cellular respiration. Hemoglobin is a red color pigment present in our blood which is attached to the 4O2 molecules and it also and the blood also collects CO2 which is again passed to the lungs through the heart and we have evolved to increase the area. Now the question comes, energy flow is in the food chain unidirectional. See, energy flow in food chain is unidirectional because in ecosystem, energy flows from one trophic level to the another trophic level. Once the energy is flow, it cannot come back. For example, deer eats grass, but grass cannot eat deer. Now the entry of the pesticides, it's on the first trophic level while growing the crops, which comes to the last trophic level. That is biological magnification. Now the next question. Give reason to justify the following. The existence of decomposer is essential in the biosphere. ये soil को replenish कर देंगे, remove the biodegradable waste easily. Flow of the energy in the food chain is unidirectional. We have discussed right now. Next question. State the role played by the following in the process of the digestion. Trypsin digests the protein. Lipase आपका emulsify fats को break down करता है. What are the two functions of the finger-like projections present in small intestine? That is villi, so increase the surface area and absorbs the digested food. Coming to the next question. Salivary amylase helps in the digestion of the starch in the mouth and lubricate the food. HCl makes the medium acidic and helps for the pepsin enzyme to act on it. Bile juice आपका फैट्स को emulsify करके डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. Villi we have already discussed that increases the surface area. Pepsin and lipase we have also discussed. Now what is photosynthesis? We all know that the process from which plants make their food. Mechanism, it absorbs the light from the chlorophyll, convert light energy into chemical, splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, and reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Share this video with all your friends. To get the PDF of this video or this important questions, these important questions, you can click on the link given in the description, which cost only ₹11. We have also given the link to join our WhatsApp group in which we will be discussing all the important questions for all the subjects for the coming class 10 students. For the boards, you can join that group. We will discuss all the questions in detail. Thank you.